Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you all what I have here. I have this bag and inside of it is a screen, like a window protector for your top of your car. So if you have a Tesla with a huge screen like I do, you've got all the little clips that'll clip it up into this roof, and then you have the little devices here, and then these flip open and then you're able to put them up. So I'm gonna do that here and I'll show you in a second. Okay, so this is how they go up. You can see there's little clips that kind of clip up into the top here to kind of keep it in place, and it's a good fit. It fits just right up in there. So if you want to cover your headliner and stuff, you're just able to make it kind of matches right up in the car. So super cool. Sorry about the lighting here. I'm in a garage and in this, so it might not look as good as it would outside, but you get the idea. It looks really good. It covers it completely and you're good to go. If you need to have a little bit of shade in there, it's like two pieces. You can see there's a front one and a back one. So if you only wanted like the front covered, you could do that, or only wanted the back, could do that too. Took just a couple of minutes to install. So pretty nice little device. Thumbs up.